to the Cooking General, man. What's up, soldiers? Hey, y'all marching this challenge to 2,000 subscribers. Man, how y'all do that? Man, hey, more people find out, hey, you know what I'm saying? They gonna know how to do this and stuff. Now, check this out here. Today, I'm gonna do something real quick because I've been asked by a few viewers that, you know what I'm saying, we having a function and they want to make a little advertising for the function or something like that there. That's like the little finger food stuff you want to bring. I'm gonna show you a cheap way to make a real good finger food. A real cheap way. Now, you gotta follow these techniques and it'll be cheap and it is good. Now, come in, let me show you what you put in here. Now, check it out here. Now, we're gonna take some steaks. And we got these steaks here. But see, we're not gonna use no steak seasoning. We're just gonna go with some garlic pepper and some regular seasoning salt. Now, we're gonna have some olive oil, and then you're also gonna need some regular oil. Okay, I got two kinds of cheese, but you can use one kind. I'm gonna kind of mix it up a little bit. A cheap pack of flour tortilla shells, onion and bell pepper, can of rotel, can of corn, and some cream cheese. And bought these steaks, they was $8. I got them from the bargain bin for $5. $5. Man! The Cooking General is saving a bunch of money just bargain shopping.
Well, since you saving so much money, Cooking General, when are you going to pay me?
We'll talk about that later. Right now, I'm finna
getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it.
Everybody! Okay, see there? I got my meat cut up. I got my onions and bell pepper cut. Got my olive oil on medium heat. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put these vegetables in there. See? And then you're gonna like, oh wait, you gonna let them saute? Nope. I add the meat right away. And the meat has already been seasoned. Stir that up. And we're gonna brown this here. Ask somebody. Okay, well, we got our meat over here browning with the onions. We're just gonna let it cook like that there. Now, we're gonna add our corn, our rotel, and a half a stick of our cream cheese. And we're gonna stir this up until it melts down. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General, man. Check this out here. Now, after you get your steak and stuff done, you want to combine all your ingredients. I combine everything. The steak, I strained it first. You got to make sure you strain it. And you want to put them on your burrito, you know. You want to get a little of that corn and a little of that steak in there. Yeah? And now, the secret of folding these here things here, you know what I'm saying? You don't want it to go out because you're frying them. I got some frying over there now. You want to always go down, down. That close that off. Then you want to come over, and then you want to wrap back over. And when you get it back over like that, then you want to turn it down. And that way all your ingredients stay inside when you get ready to fry it. Man, and this here is gonna be good. Got them there, they're browning on one side, good. There they go, nothing coming out. That's what I want. Now, cook it. What you mean I ain't paid you?
You haven't. Nope.
Let me think. The bit we're gonna be filming with. Can you back off a little bit? Can't see me? Bag it off. Bag it off.
If you don't stop tripping,
Bag it off a little bit. I'm not gonna pay you.
you ain't paying me shit anyway.
Okay. Watch the crackers too. And hey, don't tell me I don't pay you. How much I paid you since you started here?
Not a dime.
Oh, okay. Oh, welcome back to the Cooking General. Hey, I got them finished now, man. A very quick appetizer. Come here, let me show you this here. Man, hold on. Look at that. They light, they crispy, and they cheap. And like I said, everything is cheap. And look at that. Break apart, crispy, cheesy. Steak in there, look at that. Boy, it just don't get no better than that. Now that's a good deal. Now, that's real cheap. You can make these here. People think you're gonna spend a fortune. But go to that bargain bin. And just remember to cook. Wait a minute, hold on. Before I even, you ain't get paid. I tell you what, Cooking General got paid.